The variable time module and the variable pitch module let the user draw in dynamic time and pitch variations, respectively. Variable pitch can provide a very smooth-sounding example of your classic pitch effect. Speeding up or slowing down a turntable or tape machine, changes to pitch and time are linked, and variable pitch can be used to create that classic tape or turntable slowdown effect, where the pitch drops dramatically as the music slows down. To get that effect, you'd leave the Preserve Time button off. You can draw in any pitch changes you want, up to 20. Smoothing makes the pitch transitions between notes more gradual. If you enable Preserve Time, you can choose to maintain the musical tempo as the pitch drops, or a variation on the original classic slowdown pitch drop effect. You can get just the pitch drop effect at tempo. When Preserve Time is active, the pitch coherence and transient sensitivity sliders can be increased to add a little more clarity to the audio even as the pitch drops. Besides special effects, you could also use variable pitch to make technical adjustments to a piece of audio that contains unwanted pitch artifacts. Variable time offers the opposite functionality of variable pitch with the Preserve Time option on. Variable time lets you draw in time, speed variations while preserving the pitch. As you can see, you have the same interface and controls as variable pitch. So both these modules now let you draw in changing time or pitch variations, as opposed to affecting the entire file or selection, like the time and pitch module, and they're suited to both special effects and occasional corrective tweaks. Sometimes you might encounter a recording dubbed from an old tape, especially an old cassette, that's ruined by noticeable wow and flutter, unwanted periodic speed and pitch variations. The wow and flutter module is dedicated to just one thing. It automatically detects wow or flutter in a recording and corrects for it, restoring steady pitch to what may otherwise have been an unlistenable piece of music. Wow and flutter is very simple to operate. There really are only two main controls. You estimate the speed of the wow, fast, medium, or slow pitch variation. And the sensitivity control provides the opportunity to correct for the undesirable pitch variation while preserving any natural musical vibrato in the same general frequency range. You may need to experiment a bit, but as long as you're in the ballpark, it does a pretty good job. Here's a snippet of a mix, possibly dubbed from an old analog cassette, with some noticeable wow. And here's the mix after the wow and flutter module has corrected it. Next up, the dialogue contour module.